Hey guys, it's Monday, October the 12th, and for ELA this week, we are going to be taking the beginning of year assessment through the CKLA. Now, like I said, if you haven't already watched the grammar version, the people who wrote CKLA suggested that everyone go through it and complete the first unit before you give the beginning of year assessment to get all the kids acclimated. And with this year, the way it has been, it was a pretty good idea. So what fifth grade is going to do is we're going to read a story a day, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. You will also have a grammar thing to go along with it. So today you're going to be reading a short assignment. So the beginning of year reading comprehension, it says you will read 3 selections. After reading the first selection, you will answer several questions based on it. Then you will read the second selection, but we will not do that until Tuesday. You'll answer this, several questions, and then the third, and all that. So what you're going to be reading is a fable by Aesop. It's Mercury and the Woodman. So you're going to be reading this. Now the numbers beside it, that is it's basically like an annotation to tell you the paragraph. So paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it's just a sentence like on 3 and 4, but it's still considered when they go back. So you will read this, and then you're going to answer the questions. Now, anytime a question is asking you to explain, you need to explain it in a complete sentence. That means capital letter, it has a complete subject, complete predicate, and make sure, punctuation at the end, and make sure you are actually answering the question, okay? Make sure you are answering each question. Okay, and let's see, that's number 1. Number 2, you're choosing. Number 3 has 2 parts. Part A, how did the woman show honesty and quality of being fair and honest? Find 2 examples in the text and write them out. So basically, that's just like what we've been doing. You're going to find 2 examples in the story of when the woman was honest or showing a quality of being fair and truthful. You are going to write, that means you're going to have quotes because you're taking it directly from the book or the passage, 2 instances, okay? It needs to be the complete instance. Now, what could the woman have done that didn't show honesty? What could the woman have done that didn't show honesty? Answer that sentence, please. Number 4, you'll answer, just choose A, B, C, D. All right, and number 5, the moral of the story is honesty is the best policy. Explain what this moral means using evidence from the text. You are going to explain to me what it is. What does a moral mean? What is a moral? And how is it used in this text? How is honesty is the best policy used in the text that what you just read? Okay? Mercury and the Woodsman. How in that short story is honesty the best policy showed? You have to tell me that along with what is a moral? What does this moral mean? What does honesty is the best policy mean to you? Okay, what does it mean? Yes, this is an opinion, but it can be wrong. Okay? What does honesty is the best policy mean? Okay? And tell me using text evidence also. So you're going to answer the question using your proof, and then you are going to use evidence from the text. Okay, that is passage 1. That's for Monday.